let's talk a little bit about digital breadcrumbs. And what that is that's the trail that you leave behind as you go through the internet. You hear a lot on TV and other things about they can trace a picture back to the IP address that originally posted that picture. Yes, they can. That is absolutely true. And as a consequence, if you put something online that's not supposed to be there, or if you put something online that incriminates you, often they can trace it right back to you.
Now, you may think that what you're doing on the internet is anonymous, and you may have taken steps or efforts to hide your identity, and you may be anonymous to a particular individual, perhaps at the other end of a chat, or at the other end of an email, or at the other end of a website. But the reality is that your IP address, that all of that information is passing through servers from your internet service provider, from the service, whether it's Google or whether it's Microsoft or whether it's Amazon servers that are providing you that gateway to the internet. All of that data is being saved. All of that information is being saved. I've done a number of these Craigslist cases where detectives have posed as underage children and solicited sex. Some of my clients have gone through what they believed were very stringent and necessary steps to remain anonymous, and in every case they were able to find the identity, put the case together, and arrest the person at the other computer.
But remember, this isn't just about sex cases or pornography or anything like that. I had a case that involved stolen body armor from a JBLM that was posted online as part of a garage sale. And sure enough, the feds found him and prosecuted the guy who was selling that body armor. I still believe that he didn't have any idea that that was stolen from the base, and eventually the prosecutor agreed with me about that. But he had to go pay a lawyer. He had to go to court, take time out of his day away from his work in order to deal with these criminal charges just because he posted it online. And they can trace it back to you no matter what it is. So if you're not sure, you don't want to post it online.
And when the police properly document this kind of evidence and preserve it, it is the equivalent of a digital fingerprint. It can be very persuasive in court, and it can be very hard to defend against. So I think the safest thing to do, again, is just to understand there's nothing that you should be doing on the computer that you wouldn't want as Exhibit 1 in a case.